Okay, if your recirculation block is leaking, the easiest thing to do is just install a new recirculation block. There's only one screw. It's held on right here. The screw is on the inside of the front of the machine, so that's where you loosen it, and the recirculation block goes in here. Sometimes it's easier just to pull out the recirculation block and then disconnect the tubes, but it's pretty simple, just two hose connections and one screw. After you get the recirculation block installed, this is where you adjust the delivery pressure. We normally set it at 30 psi, but that's how you adjust it. Increase it is clockwise and decrease it is counterclockwise. And that may be, you may need to adjust it after you install the new recirculation block.